Oh, look! Merong bago uli si Cherry Mobile. Ito ang Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity smartphone. Hey guys, this is Bam of Adobotech, and sa video na to, I will unbox this latest budget smartphone from Cherry Mobile. Okay, before anything else, syempre, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below of this video. And you can also visit my website at www.adobotech.net for the latest gadget and tech news. So, start ng 2021, may bagong smartphone na labas si Cherry Mobile. Pero actually, itong Aqua Infinity was released last December 2020. And now, itong January, it's now available in all Cherry Mobile stores nationwide. At mabibili mo rin siya sa official store ng Cherry Mobile sa Lazada at dun sa Cherry Shop website nila. At the front, syempre, you have yung design ng phone. And at the back, andito na yung summary ng tech specs ng Aqua Infinity. Okay, so open na natin siya. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here we go. So ito na yung Aqua Infinity smartphone. So, medyo halo yung likod. So I'm suspecting na removable yung battery. So set aside muna natin siya. Let's check ano pa meron sa loob. Okay, so first, Type-C USB cable. Okay, so next is, oh look, meron na siyang kasamang earphones. Confirm na itong Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity ay merong removable battery. So the capacity ng battery is 4,000 mAh with 15.40 watt. Medyo malaki yung battery at manipis naman siya. Okay, so what else? Okay, so syempre, para to complete yung package, meron siyang kasamang charger. Oops, hindi lang yon. Itong Aqua Infinity may free na soft protective case. Ayos. Syempre hindi mawawala ang quick user guide. Since removable battery siya, tatanggalin ko muna yung back cover. Okay, so dito lang siya sa may gilid. Just use yung, gamitin mo lang yung kuko mo para madaling matanggal. Okay, so use and like that. And yung cover can be easily removed. So plastic yung back cover. Okay. Medyo ingatan lang sa bandang gilid kasi baka biglang mapunit. And or baka madaling ma-break itong bandang top area niya kasi manipis lang yung back cover. Okay, since na-open na natin yung likod, andito yung dalawang nano SIM card slot. It's 4G capable. At dun sa gitna naman, meron siyang micro SD card slot that could accommodate up to 256 GB capacity of storage. Okay, so meron siyang quad camera enclosed dito sa circular case. Kung titingnan, pag nakakabit yung case, medyo similar yung look niya dun sa Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Kakabit na natin itong battery niya. Okay. Okay, so just like that. So, the quad camera and syempre yung LED flash na nandito. So, okay. So, press lang to lock yung back cover case. So, maririnig mo naman yung click. Means nakalock na siya. There we go. Okay, yan na siya. 6.52-inch HD Plus TrueView display. Ibig sabihin nun, meron siyang 1600 by 720 pixel resolution. At meron siyang 269 pixel per inch. Medyo nakakalito lang yung kanina. Kasi yung nakalagay doon sa takip ng screen kanina, ang naka-indicate doon is yung 6.52-inch Full HD Plus display. Pero kung makita nyo yung box, naka-indicate naman siya na HD IPS TrueView LCD. Okay, so I think medyo nagkamali lang si Cherry Mobile dun sa label sa screen. This device is powered by a 2.0 GHz MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core processor. In terms of GPU, meron siyang Mali G72 MP3. At very generous si Cherry Mobile. Kasi itong device na to, meron siyang 8 GB of RAM at 128 internal storage. Doon sa camera sa likod, yung quad camera setup niya, meron 12 megapixel main sensor, 20 megapixel depth sensor, meron ding 2 megapixel mono or yung black and white at 2 megapixel AI cameras. Sa harap naman, doon sa notch is meron siyang 8 megapixel selfie camera. Of course, sa wireless connectivity, you have the usual. You have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and sa wired connectivity, nandyan yung Type-C port doon sa ilalim. Out of the box, itong Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity runs on Android 10. So, stock version ang meron siya. So, as you can see, medyo boring yung design. So, plain and simple na Android 10. Wala siyang kasamang built-in launcher like most of other smartphone brands. But, syempre, if you want to customize it at gusto mong hindi maging boring yung look ng Aqua Infinity mo, you could search for your favorite launcher. So, like me, I like yung Nova launcher. So, nag-install na ako ng Antutu benchmark. Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity scores 161,060. So, not bad for an entry-level device. Okay, so now, I installed na rin a Call of Duty game. So, we'll test yung gaming capability nitong Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity. Settings dun sa graphics. So, ngayon, nakaset siya as medium dun sa graphic quality at dun sa frame rate. So, naka-disable yung depth of field. So, let's activate that lang, and dun sa graphic style, realistic and auto adjust. Then, okay. So,
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Contact with enemy.
Actually, maganda yung gameplay niya. Wala akong napansin na frame drops on medium settings sa graphics. Controls, responsive siya. Yung speaker, since naka full volume na ako, basag nga lang, so hindi siya ganun kaganda yung speaker. So it's better to use the earphones or kung meron kang Bluetooth, use wireless earbuds na lang. So overall, itong Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity, it's a good smartphone. And for its price na 7,199, so okay naman yung performance niya. Doon sa removable battery, medyo I have some mixed feelings about it. I think it's bad since wala siyang battery protection for overcharging and maybe overheating. So I'm not sure. But since removable siya, possible na wala talaga siyang advantage. Since removable yung battery niya, madali mo lang siyang palitan. Kumbaga, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng technician to have yung battery replaced. Availability, for sure, makakabili ka ng battery nito on any phone store or pwede kang pumunta ng Lazada or Shopee. I'm sure, makakita ka ng compatible na battery para sa account. Okay, so overall impression itong bagong Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity. In terms of design, maganda yung design niya. Medyo makapal, but it's comfortable naman hawakan or gamitin on one hand. Okay, yung Helio P60 definitely could run games or can online, maglalaro ka ng online games, kaya niya. Yung Call of Duty on a medium setting, walang problema. In terms of display, it's good enough to enjoy playing games and watching videos. And since 19:9 naman yung aspect ratio niya, so landscape, it's look nice. Okay, so if you're looking for a budget phone under 8,000 pesos, itong Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity it's a good choice na rin. Pag bumili ka, sa Cherry Mobile store nila, meron yung kasamang free crystal speaker and flare watch. So that's value added. Not sure lang kung hanggang kailan yung promo na yon. Let me know what you think about the new Cherry Mobile Aqua Infinity. Post your comments on this video and we'll try to answer kung meron kayong question. Anyway, again, this is Bam of Adobotech and thank you for watching. Now back to work.